Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're planning your next outdoor adventure and want to stay cool and comfortable anywhere you camp, then you're in the right place, because today we're counting down the top 5 best camping air conditioners in 2026. We've picked the most powerful, portable, and energy-efficient models, perfect for tents, RVs, vans, and outdoor trips. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Best Reviews and hit that like button for more amazing tech and outdoor gear reviews every week. And if you want to check out any of these camping air conditioners, you'll find all the product links waiting for you in the description box below. Number 5. Cybertake S2 Pro Portable Camping Air Conditioner. The Cybertake S2 Pro is a versatile camping air conditioner built for true outdoor freedom, delivering 5,100 BTU cooling and 6,100 BTU heating for spaces up to 130 square feet. It supports 3 different power options, including AC wall outlets, vehicle power, and portable power stations, making it perfect for tents, RVs, and cabins. With 4 operating modes, adjustable fan speeds, precise temperature controls, and whisper-quiet 40 decibel operation, this unit keeps you comfortable in any season while running up to 8 hours on just 1 kilowatt-hour in Eco Plus mode. Number 4. ECOFLOW Wave 3 Portable Air Conditioner. The ECOFLOW Wave 3 is one of the smartest and most advanced camping AC units of 2026, offering powerful 6,100 BTU cooling and 6,800 BTU heating performance. Its built-in 1,024 watt-hour battery provides up to 8 hours of cordless operation, while ultra-fast charging reaches full power in only 75 minutes. Designed for outdoor adventures, this compact unit cools spaces up to 180 square feet and features app control, sleep mode, water and power alerts, plus a special pet care function that automatically activates cooling when temperatures rise inside your vehicle or RV. Number 3. Zero Breeze Mark III Portable Air Conditioner. The Zero Breeze Mark III combines portability and performance with a lightweight 22-pound suitcase-style design that's easy to carry anywhere. Featuring 5,280 BTU cooling power and heating capability, this unit offers 7 working modes, including rocket, sleep, fan, dry, and heating, for year-round comfort. It also includes dual batteries for extended outdoor use, ultra-low 150-watt power consumption, dehumidifying functionality, and rapid cooling performance that works great for camping, fishing trips, RVs, trucks, and even small indoor rooms. Number 2. OUTOHOME Tent Air Conditioner. The OUTOHOME Tent Air Conditioner delivers fast and efficient 5,100 BTU cooling that can quickly drop temperatures in spaces up to 200 square feet. This 4-in-1 portable AC combines cooling, dehumidifying, fan, and sleep modes to provide comfort in every season. Operating at only 46 decibels, it stays impressively quiet, while the smart auto evaporation system improves efficiency by recycling condensate water during operation. With precise climate controls and a 24-hour programmable timer, this unit is an excellent choice for tents, trucks, RVs, and indoor spaces. Number 1. countrymod Portable Camping Air Conditioner. Taking the top spot is the countrymod Portable Camping Air Conditioner, featuring an upgraded split-system design that keeps heat and compressor noise outside the tent for a much quieter and more comfortable experience. With 5,000 BTU cooling power and adjustable temperatures from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 89 degrees Fahrenheit, this portable AC delivers fast and even airflow for tents, vans, RVs, boats, and small rooms. It supports both DC 48 volts and AC 110 volts power sources for flexible use anywhere, while multiple modes including cooling, sleep, dehumidification, and fan allow you to customize your comfort with ease using the touch panel or remote control.